Want to make sure Windows security is enabled and protecting your PC. Windows includes Microsoft Defender and several built-in security features that work together to protect your system. In this guide, I'll show you how to check and enable the main protections. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the main dashboard. Select Virus and Threat Protection, then choose Manage Settings. Find Real-Time Protection and make sure it's turned on. This allows Microsoft Defender to monitor your system for threats. While you're there, check Cloud-Delivered Protection and Automatic Sample Submission. Keeping these features enabled can improve Defender's ability to identify suspicious activity and files. Next, open Firewall and Network Protection. Select your active network profile and make sure Microsoft Defender Firewall is enabled. Check the other profiles as well. Now open App and Browser Control. Select Reputation-Based Protection and review the available Smart Screen settings. Keep protection for apps, files, websites, and potentially unwanted applications enabled when available. For extra file protection, open Ransomware Protection and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Review Controlled Folder Access, which can help prevent untrusted apps from changing protected files. Next, open Device Security. Depending on your PC, check Secure Boot, Security Processor, and Core Isolation. Some options may not be available on every computer. Finally, open Account Protection and review Windows Hello options, such as a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Before finishing, go to Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. And that's how to enable the main Windows security protections. Keep real-time protection and the firewall enabled, review the other security areas, and install updates regularly. These built-in tools provide an important foundation for protecting your Windows PC.